Alright folks, what we're going to do is, oof, that stinks. We have a lot of stuff to do today. A lot of stuff. First of all, we gotta let this air out. Get some fresh air up in there. Got the gas cans there that will build up gas, and well, it'll blow up. We're gonna have to get that out, the tilling machine. Okay, and then this, I've got a stand in here I want to dig out for my little flowers or plants inside. That's right there. It's right there, right in front of our face. Oh yeah. Ooh, right here. Needs to be hosed down. That's alright, no biggie. Okay, so I'll set this right here. It's gonna need washed. Alright. Now, what we're going to do, see, we're going to take the tilling device and just kind of work that over there and down there, kind of smooth it all out. Downside is, we have to go and dig all this shit out. Oh, folks, I'm getting old, gray, and half withered away. I should put this back to where it was, way back there. I don't know why I haven't yet. Oh, jeez Louises. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, let's get it out of the way. Okay. I forgot my keys in the trunk. Just got a text. I was gonna say I forgot my keys earlier when I walked down to the store down the street. I came back. I had to call through my bedroom window over here. Okay. La-da-dee, la-da-da. Okay. It's all nice and decent weather out. If you're in front of a decent breeze, that is. Oh, short. Let's do it this way. And it's supposed to start getting hotter. From what I understand, it's going to get up in the record-breaking temps in the next few days. So I figure I try to get as much stuff done today as I can. I think it's fairly decent weather out. Alrighty. There's a few rocks still along here. I'll go ahead and I can just toss this over here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do much along here. It's so narrow. I'll try, but holy crap, this is not light. Alright. Well, let's see what we can't screw up now. Is there a rock? Yep. Why won't that look? So let's go ahead and check out our location here. Okay, I need a shovel. Okay. Get the rake now. See if we can spread some of that out. Okay. Now I'm not trying to make it pretty because this is the backyard and not too many people will see this, well, except for all of you watching the video, but for the most part. Okay, now go get the square shovel. Yeah, I can put this one away. Alright. Good old cold shove. Alright. I think that's good enough there. I don't know what I can do here. Yeah, I can try. I don't think it's gonna really work out. There's a damn rock there. Shit. Jeez, can you imagine all these rocks are from all this whole damn backyard? Seriously. And I keep finding more and more of those damn things. Damn tree roots there. Okay, like know who's a dumbass I created. So I didn't do this, folks. It was like all this when I moved in. Freaking moron. Yep, they're freaking morons. Jeez, what's with all the damn trash? Alright.